In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create chatbots on Facebook Messenger. By the end, you'll have an automated assistant that greets customers, answers common questions, and captures leads without you lifting a finger. First, open Meta Business Suite. This is your central hub for managing your Facebook page and Instagram account, including messages. Make sure you're signed in to the account that manages your page so you can access the right inbox and settings. You can use the desktop version for the clearest view, though the mobile app works too. Next, head to Inbox, then look for Automations, and choose Create Automation. This is where all the automated reply tools live. If you don't see it right away, scan the left sidebar or the top menu inside Inbox. The Automation section is designed to be easy to spot. Clicking. Create Automation will open a setup panel with ready-made options. Now choose a template that matches your goal. FAQs is great if you want quick answers to common questions like hours, location, or policies. Instant Reply sends a friendly acknowledgement as soon as someone messages you, helping set expectations if you can't respond right away. Lead Capture prompts visitors to share details so you can follow up later. Pick the one that best fits what you want your messenger to handle first. You can always come back and add more automations as your needs grow. Then customize your questions, answers, and buttons. Keep answers short, clear, and helpful. Think 1 or 2 concise sentences that solve the user's need. Use a friendly, on-brand tone. For FAQs, phrase questions the way customers typically ask them, so the bot recognizes intent. For lead capture, explain why you're asking for information and how you'll use it. Buttons can guide people to key next steps, like viewing a menu, browsing a help center, or contacting support. If the template includes quick replies, write them so the user can tap rather than type. Review your wording for clarity and make sure each path leads to something genuinely useful. When you're happy with your setup, click Save and turn it on. Look for the toggle or activation switch. It confirms your automation is live. If business hours or audience settings are available in the template, ensure they match how you operate. From here, your Messenger chatbot will start replying automatically based on the rules you just set. Keep an eye on your inbox to see how conversations flow and refine your messages over time as you spot patterns. Small tweaks to wording and buttons can dramatically improve results, and if you ever need to pause it, you can turn it off with the same toggle.